And welcome back to some more Laney stuff with the show with lots of names. And my name's Gabor.
Words, it happened. Hey, I'm Alex. Welcome along. We're going to check out this little Laney combo with some pedals. I've got a couple of drives and a couple of fuzzes on the mystery table that you can't see.
Yeah.
We've already done a video checking out this combo and what it does with all the features and sounds in the box. We're going to see what happens when you hit it with the front end with some gear.
It's in the description below the other video. So it's a Laney LF60-112 sent to us by Laney. So this is sponsored, even though we don't get to keep the amp. We don't get paid for it by Laney. We just do this because we've got heaps of spare time, and why not do lots of work in spare time and then get cold chills. But this is all about pedals. So we've got the clean channel going. We might do the boost as well. We've got, you can't see it, I'll do a photo of it, 4 flavors of drives. Most people asked in the unboxing video to put fuzzes into it, so we thought, let's go with a fuzz phase and a big muff style.
Yep.
Both by Mozztronics. I'll put links to all the individual pedals videos in the description below. And then for the 2 drives, we have the VGU Vendor Guitar Romantic Universe Stomp-O-Matic with the Prince of Blues and Ghost Face, which is Prince of Blues is like a Marshall Blues Breaker, King of Tone, Prince of Tone kind of vibe thing, and the Ghost Face is a Tube Screamer style. So we've got Tube Screamer, Blues Breaker, Fuzz Face, and Big Muff. Yeah.
Bunch of food groups there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we're going to do a few different guitars, and maybe with boost, without boost, see how we go.
Should we start playing? Okay.
So it's a Tube Screamer. Let's maybe always go Tube Screamer, Blues Breaker, Fuzz Face, and Big Muff. Yeah, let's go in that order. So yeah,
stepping up the game.
Stepping up the game.
Yeah, cool.
So that's Tube Screamer style drive works. Let's try the Blues Breaker style drive. I flicked the switch to get more drive out of it.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on that?
It's definitely brighter than the Tube Screamer.
Oh yeah, I can turn the tone down a little bit.
Sounds like an overdrive.
Let's try it with a bit of boost from here.
Okay.
Tube Screamer again in the end.
Yeah.
It sounds good. Actually, the Blues Breaker with a boost sounds quite nice. Or the King of Tone, Prince of Tone kind of thing. Okay, let's move on to Fuzz Face.
Face it up.
So this is a silicon Fuzz Face. Again, links to all of it below by Mozztronics. That was now the end, the blues breaker on as well, which is after the fuzz phase. Let's turn on the boost. So this is the boosted sound now on the amp with the fuzz phase. Roll back the volume. Yeah, a bit. Not all the way. Roll it.
Yeah, sure. That was pretty cryptic.
Is that a roll back the volume thing?
Not from this angle.
Yeah.
Better.
Sounds alright. Okay, lastly, a Big Muff. So this is a Russian style Big Muff, sort of kind of green Russian kind of thing. With a bit of boost from the amp in the end. Alright, let's try the same thing now. I mean, that's sort of single coils. Let's just say that's single coils.
Yeah.
Let's go to what everyone wants to hear. Low tunings. How does it handle low tunings with all this sort of stuff? So this is my...
Do you want a baritone to play?
No, I want this. This is in C standard tuning.
That's in B.
Yeah, but this is a cooler guitar.
That's one better.
Yeah, but this is a cooler guitar.
One lower.
This is a parts caster concierge.
It's brown.
Body,
Say this.
walnut body, yeah, exactly. A Robot Graves aluminium neck and third or THRD tunable harmonic resonance device tailpiece where you can tune the notes behind the bridge.
What key is that?
I don't know, C something. That's a C, so it's C something. Cool. This was tuned to a song I was recording a track with the song and I tuned to whatever the song was, sounded okay with the song, just by ear. And a drag pickup, and you can watch a video for it here by Mr. Glyn's, and just into the amp direct without any pedals. It sounds like this. Pedal me. So this is a tube screamer. Boost. So it's good actually with the boost on. Blues Breaker, or King of Tone, Prince of Tone. I like the King of Tone Blues Breaker kind of thing with this.
Yeah, it's better than a TS for that.
Better than a TS, yeah. Let's do with the boost on. I like that, that's a good sound. All right. Fuzz, face me. With that, the volume rolled off, that sounds great. Let's boost that.
It's like wall of sound stuff.
Yeah. Lots of reverb. Sounds cool with the volume rolled off.
Should we go muffage?
Big Muff. That's actually pretty cool.
Pokey.
So that's a Blues Breaker. That's all of them except for the Fuzz Face. So Blues Breaker, Tube Screamer, and Big Muff. I like that. That sounds cool.
Yeah, cool. What do you think?
I think the dog is on my cable, but other than that,
Unplug it.
I think it sounds pretty good. I think it takes pedals well. I mean, should we bother with the humbucker guitar just to see?
That's kind of humbuckers.
Well, no, it's humbuckers is low tuning, yeah.
I think some more than others.
Yeah. I like any amp, but any
Yeah.
amp will take some pedals more than others.
Yeah, right.
I think it took the Big Muff really well,
Yes.
and I think it took the
Tube Screamer.
not the Tube Screamer.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I thought the Tube Screamer more than the other.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I like the Blues Breaker
Yeah.
kind of King of Tone thing over there. And I mean the Fuzz Face. Generally, Fuzz Face to me sounds best with the volume down.
Sure.
That sort of kind of cleaned up
Yeah.
Fuzz Face sound. Yeah. Anyway, that was a quick video with some fuzzes and some low tunings through the little Laney LF60-112. I always got to look there because I never remember the name. LF60-112. Laney Foundry 60-112. Yeah, that should be, yeah. Or Lionheart Foundry 60-112. LF60. Yeah, I should remember that.
Thanks for hanging.
Yeah, once again, thank you to the lovely people at Laney Australia for sending this out to us. And,
Let us know what you think.
yeah.
Do you dig it with pedals? Links below to socials and podcasts. If you've got a second, check them out.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this far.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon on the internet.
Bye-bye.
See ya.